So after coming in today and digging back into the 543 valve, it looks like the best route is possibly going to be we need to put an engine in this for various reasons. As suggested, pull cam caps. Yeah, they ain't no good. And it's not as bad, but that's an oil supply issue. The oil supply on these are not very good. First, it comes from the pump up the driver's side, across the front of the driver's side, through the block, down the side of the block, to the back, up the back, supplies oil to the passenger side, and it's like a zigzag pattern. Basically, it's like here, 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 and that's how oil is supplied. After pulling the caps, you can clearly see how bad the caps are. So it's going to be a decision on whether the customer wants us to put an engine in it, or what he exactly wants to do, unfortunately. So it's where we're at. So you guys wanted an update when I found out today, and this is essentially the update.